For reverse logistics, historically, it's been a lot of manual processing from receiving a phone to triaging and doing functional testing on the device to cosmetic grading of the device and then routing it for put away. Not a lot of automation. And so where Ingram's taking the business is to invest heavily in automation and new technology that's going to allow for greater processing capacities, greater scalability, but also to be able to introduce new value-add services to our partners. I'm really proud of the work that the working groups at CTIA have accomplished. Without CTIA's leadership in this regard, I don't think we would have all of the really strong partners at the table to work on collective challenges that the industry is facing, and how do we find common ground in that process. But I've been proud to be a part of, and I'm proud that Ingram is working on as well.